Recording in progress.
All right, so I added a print statement in here so that you can see it's going to print my list, my original list, and then my sorted list at the very end. But with my print statement, it's also going to show a lot of like where my pivots are and show every line of the recursive function. So just to take that out, I'm going to rerun that so that we can see the original list and the sorted list. Now I do have my test cases here for my automation drivers. So we will run my main as normal. And then for my test cases, it does run through for my empty list, it is going to output an empty list. For my sorted list, it's just going to reprint a sorted list. For my unsorted list, it does organize them in sorted order. For my reverse sorted list, you can see it's just going to flop everything. And then my short list, my duplicate list, this one has three different duplicates, four actually, different duplicates in the list, and does sort those in the correct order. For my list of negatives, it does start with the highest number, technically lowest number negative, up to my highest positive. And then for large numbers, you can see it starts with the lowest and still goes up to the highest. And last, I did add words. And just used like a phrase from an old song, and it did organize those in alphabetical order.